Aside from my soul,
Good morning everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So I've just washed and dried my hair and आज घर में राजमा चावल बना तो मैं पेट और दिल भर के खाया है मैंने. I'm definitely feeling very sleepy right now, but today is gonna be a very important day. Actually this whole week is gonna be very important. ज़्यादा shoot नहीं करना है मुझे. Actually I already have footage that I have to edit करना है, so I definitely have some time in my hand. That means this whole week is gonna be a deep cleaning week. I'm gonna clean my house and my studio thoroughly. Right now we are heading out to get some cake. I feel जब भी मैं vlog कर रही हूँ किसी ना किसी का तो birthday आ ही रहा है. Today is our very dear friend Vishal's birthday. अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे previous travel vlogs देखे हैं, you already know who I'm talking about, and you guys have probably seen him in my vlogs. So उसका birthday है आज. Weekday है तो हम लोग ज़्यादा celebrate नहीं कर रहे, just cake cut कर रहे हैं, and weekend में probably will be doing a proper party. So the last time I vlogged, I didn't end up cleaning this room because I just had a lot to do that day. Then I realized, and वो करते करते time चला गया, I just didn't get the time. But today, on the other hand, I'm actually gonna clean this room. So let's get started. The room is a mess. Like, do you see the clutter? Whew. I always like to listen to some music while I'm cleaning, especially lofi. ये वाला बहुत ही सही है, मैं बहुत सुनती हूँ, so definitely check this out. Much needed lunch break. आज छोले बने हैं, which I'm very excited to have. Let's have some lunch. This is how the room is looking currently. It's not done completely. I still need to do some stuff. But अभी मैंने पूरा घर वैक्यूम कर दिया. यहाँ के सारे चीज़ें जो मैंने निकाली हुए बाद में रखूँगी. उसको भी थोड़ा क्लीन करना है. But आज के लिए बस इतना ही करूँगी. Probably I'll resume some other day. This side I've vacuumed everything. ये मिरर बाकी है क्लीन करना. ये मिरर बाकी है, एक्चुअली ये पूरा साइड बाकी है. वार्डरोब का ऊपर का पूरा क्लीन करना है. ये एरिया क्लीन करना है. सो दिस साइड इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग, बट majority of the room is clean. I still need to keep stuff, but yeah, that's it for today. Good morning everybody, I'm back in my studio because today is a shoot day for me. आज का दिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेक्टिक होने वाला है because I have to shoot a video and edit this video. I have to finish this video anyhow by tomorrow morning because tomorrow I'm planning to go to my parents' place for the weekend and chill and relax. But I have to make sure that this video is up and ready to go for Saturday. So बहुत काम है. I'm gonna get ready right now and I'll see you guys in a while. Just got done with the shoot and I got some really cute pieces from Amazon, so I thought I'll do a quick try on haul for you guys. Also, Amazon is hosting their wardrobe refresh sale which is starting from 18th December, and you can get 50 to 80% off on fashion as well as beauty category. So if you're a Prime member like me, आप लोगों के लिए तो एक दिन पहले start हो रहा है, which is 17th December 12 AM onwards. If you haven't shopped already and if you have a lot of things that you need to buy, add it in your wish list and shop when the wardrobe refresh sale is live. I'll put all the links in the description down below. So the first item I got is the t-shirt that I'm wearing right now. I really like it. इस पे wild and free लिखा हुआ है and it's so tropical and Goa vibe. मतलब अभी भी मैंने गोवा के vlogs डाले हैं तो ये टी-शर्ट तो बनता है, right? I really like it. It's so cute and fun at the same time. Cotton material, it's very comfortable and I have taken a size large. मुझे थोड़ा baggy fit चाहिए था, but this actually fitted me perfectly. So definitely size up. Okay, so the next item I picked up is this. I love it. इस पे Babe लिखा हुआ है and tie-dye detailing है. It has such beautiful neon colors का splash. It kind of looks like ink ऐसे डाला हुआ है, but it's so pretty and soft है. Again, material is very soft. This is also in the size large. मैंने majority of the सारे tops मैंने large में लिया है because मुझे वो baggy effect चाहिए था. But again, it is a little bit baggy, but it's not that baggy. So again, I would say size up. If you like the fit and the way it's flattering my body, then go for a size up. I really like it. This is the next thing I got. It is white and it has coffee print all over it, coffee cups and everything related to coffee basically. And ये भी अच्छा ही लग रहा है यार. I like all the tops and सारे के सारे tops का material is very similar. Little different to be honest, but all of them are cotton. None of them are see-through, which is really great. And ये भी बहुत सही है. ये भी large size में लिया हुआ है मैंने. It has all of these coffee patterns on it. Not really fan of the neck. It kind of feels very bland. बाकी के दो का मुझे neckline अच्छा लगा था, but I don't know, is it similar? But for some reason this just doesn't look good. This one is definitely my favorite one out of all the tops that I got. इस पे good vibes लिखा हुआ है and it has this beautiful color pattern, tie dye वाला. बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable, breathable, soft material है. Definitely feels cotton and it's so pretty. I mean, और क्या बोलूँ मैं? It's a beautiful t-shirt, बिल्कुल भी see-through नहीं है और comfortable है. This is the next thing that I picked out. It's a sweatshirt. It does not have a hoodie by the way, but it's so good. So good. It's definitely great for Mumbai weathers. It's not like it does not have a fleece at all inside, but it's thick enough कि आप लोगों को ठंडी नहीं लगेगी even if you're going in a colder climate. दिल्ली की ठंडी को नहीं withstand कर पाएगा, but मुंबई की ठंडी for sure withstand कर पाएगा. Love the color combination, the navy blue and the orange is going so well and it's looking so great, especially with this track pant that I'm wearing. And ये भी मैंने large में लिया है. Again, I wanted something that is a little bit more on the ढीला side. This is perfect. I love it. I love the fit of it. The next thing I got is a dress. Knee length के above, almost knee length पे hit कर रहा है. And this is how it looks like, very flowy. So it cinches right below the chest area and then it flares out. I am confused. Is it looking good and flattering on me or am I looking like a schoolgirl? Really confused. So let me know in the comments down below whether I should keep it or whether I should return it. And the next thing I got are these hangers. Like how cute are these? So ये normal hangers जैसा ही है, but this has a suede कपड़ा wrapped all over it, giving this beautiful suede look. ये ऊपर का steel ही है. ये पूरा actually hanger भी steel का ही है और plastic maybe, but it's wrapped in this suede material. It also has this little like dip. So if you have strappy tops that you want to hang, a great pick. And because it has this material, this suede material, कपड़ा slip नहीं होता है hanger से. Usually आप जब steel और दूसरे material का hanger use करते हो, कपड़ा अगर बहुत ही silk satin pattern का होता है तो it will slip off and it just doesn't hold on to the hanger. This, because it has a suede kapda, it just grips better and kapda won't fall off easily. And the next item I got is this clothing rack. You must have seen me set this whole up in my previous video vlog. अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, ये हम लोगों ने set up किया था. I got it off of Amazon. I really like the clothing rack, but itna bhi sturdy nahi hai, I would say. Love the white detailing, but for me and my case, मैं इतना ज़्यादा भी कपड़े रखने नहीं वाली हूँ, तो it will work for me. Overall, I would say it's a so-so clothing rack. If you don't have a lot of things to keep, but you just want it for show, then it's good. But if you want to keep heavy coats and stuff, I would not recommend these. Just made some very mean chicken dum biryani. Can't wait to dig in. Good morning everybody, it's the weekend. Actually I was not gonna vlog in the weekend, but here I am. So today is Sunday and we are in Boisar right now. We came yesterday and Boisar is my husband's hometown. The original plan was to just come here, visit, chill for a while and then leave. But we ended up making a lot of plans, so I thought let's just capture this moment and put it in the vlog. So yesterday, Saturday ko, we went to Chinchini Beach, which is a beautiful, huge beach. It's, oh my god, idhar ke beaches are so big. We went there and afterwards we ended up doing some campfire. We bought our projector over here, so we watched movies and songs and we ended up partying till 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm not even kidding. And today we are going to the Hanu beach, which is like 1 hour away from here. So I'm gonna get ready quickly and let's explore. So we have currently reached the Hanu beach. Right now we are heading to eat something because it's 2:30 and we are very hungry. उसके बाद हम लोग beach पे जाएंगे. The ride over here was really good, very scenic, a little bumpy on the roads, but it's beautiful. Right now we are currently eating at Crazy Crab. I think बहुत ही अच्छा restaurant है. I am having it for the first time, but it's jam packed. There are literally waiting list for it. So hopefully it will be good. Let's see. Just got done with food. The food was average, to be honest. Especially seafood जो हम लोगों ने order किया था was not that fresh and इतना अच्छा खास taste भी नहीं था. So I would give it a 3 point, not even 3 actually, 2 rating. बिल्कुल भी इतना कुछ खास था नहीं था. I would not suggest. Now we are heading back to the beach क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोग बीच गए नहीं, खाना खाया है पहले. तो let's go to the beach. So this is the main entrance to the beach. This is definitely way more crowded and way more commercialized as well. थोड़ा आगे जाओगे तो you will get the silent beach, but this is like the main entrance. So we are currently in the Hanu beach. ये beach definitely ज़्यादा crowded है, but we went that side. बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा beach है by the way. और ends में जाओगे तो थोड़ा कम है, but ये main entrance है और यहाँ पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा भीड़ है. The water is pretty far away, as you can see. It's very far away. I think it's because of full moon. Yesterday also we went to a beach. वहाँ पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा दूर था पानी. So yeah. और अभी it's definitely getting a little chill. अभी sunset होने वाला है. And I am wearing a shirt which is very patla. He is wearing a t-shirt which is very patla. घर जाने के लिए 1 hour का ride है. So that's gonna be fun. That's it for today's video, guys. We are all packed and heading back home. So I thought I'll end the vlog right here. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Don't forget to like, share, comment, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.